Say data-driven testing and batch testing. Today, I will explain two topics. First one, data-driven testing. Data-driven testing. Next, batch testing. Batch testing. See, first one, data-driven testing. What is data-driven testing? Say, what is data-driven testing? What is data-driven testing? See, testing the same functionality or same test case using multiple sets of test data. Testing the same functionality using multiple inputs. Next, why data-driven testing? Suppose for one input my application is responding fine. Suppose login functionality. I entered user ID password. It is working fine. Then why I need to use multiple inputs? User ID 1, password 1, user ID 2, password 2, like that. See, for positive and negative testing. Primary purpose of data-driven testing is positive and negative testing. Next, secondary purpose, checking the reliability of the system. System means application under test. Okay. Next, how to conduct data-driven testing in Selenium? By reading test data from external files, either text files or Excel files. Okay. In this today's session, I will show how to conduct data-driven testing using text files. In TestNG chapter, we will discuss Excel file. Okay. See, first one, what is data-driven testing? Testing the same functionality with multiple inputs. Next, why data-driven testing? Why data-driven testing? Say, for positive and negative testing. Next, how to conduct data-driven testing. Say, by reading test data from external files. You can use either text files, notepad like text file or Excel file, etc. See, today we will discuss text file. In TestNG chapter, I will explain Excel file also. See, this is a brief introduction about data-driven testing. Come to example. Prithvipal, are you following? Prithvipal Singh.
Yes, sir. I follow, sir.
See, three topics I explained. Small topics.
Yes, sir.
What is data-driven testing? Why data-driven testing? And how to conduct data-driven testing. Okay. See, example. Data-driven testing for login functionality. See, data-driven testing for login functionality in admin interface by reading test data from a text file, flat file. Okay, data driven testing. Okay, you know the see test case login, verify login, verify login functionality in GCR shop online shopping portal admin interface. See test steps. You know the test steps. Tell me, Pradvipal, test steps for this one. Just a minute.
Yes, sir.
GCR IT build 3 admin. Test steps. First
Okay.
launch browser.
Launch
Next
browser.
navigate to
Launch
this admin URL.
URL.
Enter
Enter
username.
username. Enter
Next
password.
enter password admin at 123. Click login button. Next capture the URL after login and compare with expected. See, first step,
Launch the browser.
launch the browser. Launch the browser. Next, navigate.
Navigate to
Navigate to admin URL.
URL.
Next,
Enter the
enter
password.
username. Enter username. Next, enter
Enter
password.
password.
Next,
Click
click
login.
login button. Login button. See, these are the normal steps. Next, verification point. Before that, input data or test data. Say, I prepare test data in a text file. Observe input. Say, heading, username, password, admin. This is username. Admin at 123. In between these two fields, comma space. Comma space is the delimiter. Not only comma space, you can use any delimiter. Then you need to specify the delimiter in the program, in the test case. You can use any delimiter, not only comma space, just you specify that delimiter in the test case. I used comma space. This is one record. This is valid input. Valid username, valid password. Next, second record, invalid username, valid password. Next, third record again valid. See, not only three records, you can prepare 10 records, 20 records also. See, this is test data file. See, input, refer, input dot
data.
txt. Okay, next, verification points. See here, write verifications for positive and negative testing. Positive and negative testing. First verification. Tell me, Pradipal, capture the URL.
Yes, sir. And
Capture,
compared to
capture the URL after
login
login and compare.
to expected.
Uh, compare with expected.
Expected.
Expected. Here, what is the expected? Just a minute. First, manually we navigated this one. This is the expected. Expected. Next, negative scenario. See, in data-driven testing, we cover positive and negative scenarios. What is the negative scenario? Suppose if login fails, capture
Uh,
the error message and
and
compare with
compare
expected.
with expected error message.
Expected. Expected. Just a minute. See, log off, enter invalid input. See, it is showing error message. Okay. Next, write Selenium WebDriver test case. Write Selenium WebDriver test case. See, you know how to handle flat files. In file handling chapter, we discussed how to handle. Guide me, Pradvipal.
Yes,
First,
sir.
launch Eclipse IDE, create a Java class.
Yes, sir.
Suppose data driven. Let's generate the main method. Okay. Next, first create the test case. Guide me.
Yes, sir. WebDriver
WebDriver
driver
driver equals
equal
to
to new
new Firefox driver.
open a close
Firefox
parenthesis and
driver, open and close parenthesis, semicolon. Next, import WebDriver library. Next,
and
import
file
Firefox driver library. Next, launch the admin URL driver
dot
dot,
get
just a minute,
of
get driver dot get within double quotes URL. You take this URL, navigate to this one. Next, enter username.
so we need to expect
Just a minute. We
elements.
already, in the previous class, we inspected. Once again, inspect the elements. GCRIT build 3 admin. See launch
Firebug.
Firebug. Take mouse pointer, show username. ID not available. name locator available, username, you try with name locator, username, small letters, next password, name locator, password, login, for login ID available, ID, TDB1. Okay, in this navigation, we are going to operate these three elements. Say driver dot find element by dot name, name locator value, username, next dot send keys. Okay, you leave it. Later we will pass the parameter. Next, driver dot find element by dot name of password, next dot send keys, next driver dot find element by dot id, id value tdb1, next operation click. Okay, normal steps over. Next, continue Pradvipal. You continue Krishna Chaitanya. Krishna Chaitanya.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Sorry.
Pradvipal. Later I will ask you.
Okay.
Krishna Chaitanya, continue.
Yes, sir. Actually, I attended late, so I don't
See,
know the procedure.
we discussed this navigation earlier. Okay, continue Pradvipal.
Yes, sir. So now I have to insert the verification point.
Before verification,
So
capture the URL.
yes, sir.
Uh,
So
string
URL
suppose URL equals to driver
driver
dot
get current
get
URL.
current URL. Driver dot get current URL. Next, insert verification point for positive scenario. If
Uh,
URL
if
dot equals,
equals
here enter the expected URL, this one. Next, enter any meaningful message. Suppose
login
admin
successful.
login successful passed. Admin login
Successful.
passed. Next, suppose if login
If
fails, what will happen? It will show
else
error message. When it shows error message, if not this URL, isn't it?
yes, sir.
Write one condition. This condition not belongs to verification point. Before this verification, write the condition. If
Uh,
not
not equals to explanation point.
not URL dot equals within double quotes this URL. If not so and so URL, then capture the error message. Capture the error message.
So try catch block. Try catch.
Capture the error message. How to capture error message? Error message. Just a minute. That is string type data. Okay. You declare that string as class level variable. Suppose
Global, yes, sir.
we are going to use that string in different blocks of code, static error message, public static,
Error message.
just a minute. Okay, next, use the error message. Just don't declare again. Error message equals to
driver.find element.
driver.find element by dot. Yesterday we inspected that element. Inspect once again.
Inspected.
See, take mouse pointer, show the error message. Observe class name available. Suleiman. Class
Yeah.
name. ID not available. Next,
Yeah.
name not available. You try with class name. By dot class name.
That's name.
Class name value. This one. Dot
Get text.
Good. Get text semicolon. Okay. Next, write one more verification point for negative scenario after first verification. Else if
Yeah.
Here write compound condition. If not so and so URL and
Yeah.
error message equal to something, then showing correct error message.
Okay.
If not,
URL
dot equals this one. And double ampersand and error message dot, here I'm going to use contains method, why contains, see, apart from this text some symbol also there, that's why I'm not comparing with the exact value, just contains this error message or not. Contains so and so error message. Next, open curly braces. This is compound condition. Open one more parenthesis.
Yeah.
One more parenthesis. Okay. Why it is showing error? This is first verification. This is first condition.
Yes.
Next.
So take up.
Pardon?
Take up this parenthesis. Yeah. You should have one close parenthesis or two.
Close to one more required here.
Parenthesis is required.
One more. Okay.
At the starting.
Ending. Starting 2, ending 3. Now, okay. Next.
System data print line.
Suppose admin login. unsuccessful,
Okay.
unsuccessful, and handling invalid inputs. Handling invalid inputs means showing
Showing
correct
not
error
correct message.
message, means handling invalid inputs.
Okay.
What is the status? Passed or failed? Suleiman?
Pass.
Passed only. Negative scenario, passed.
Yeah.
Suppose if login successful, fail for this negative scenario. Next, else, else, observe. You can write any meaningful message. Else, admin login unsuccessful, not showing correct error message. Admin login unsuccessful, not showing correct error message. Failed. Okay. Next, driver dot close.
Yeah.
Driver dot close. Okay. Next, run the program. First, valid inputs. Admin. Next, admin at 123. Now expected result is admin login successful, passed. Run the program. Errors. Where errors? Driver dot close. After driver dot close, one is class, another one is main method. Okay. Launching. Why it is not closing? Unable to locate element, message take error. What is our condition? If not, URL exists. If not exists, then capture. Observe Pradipal, what is the problem?
Yes, sir.
Yesterday we executed the same script now.
Yes, sir. Uh,
If not URL, why it is showing error? Observe Krishna Chaitanya, why it is showing error?
so can you display first the URL after catching the URL?
Just a minute. Just a minute. Just use one wait statement. Thread dot sometimes synchronization problem. Sleep suppose 3000 milliseconds means 3 seconds. Auto exception. Okay. This time try to run the program. Still no such element. Oh, misplaced. Correctly placed. What is the problem? After before string URL correctly placed. We just display URL. Just a minute. Run the program. Oh, it is showing some extra information. Did you identify the problems, Pradipal?
No, sir. So can you say block, sir, if all the statements and then you run?
Just a minute. It is showing, observe this URL. Yesterday it showed up to this one only, but some extra text is there now.
Yes, sir.
That's why
Yes, sir. Something.
you try to use
Yeah.
contains dot contains. Just a minute. Run the program. Still, just a minute. Null pointer exception. Observe the problems, Krishna Chaitanya. Get URL. If not contains this one. Yesterday we executed the same script. If not so and so URL contains
22 dot contains, right? If you can put contains there.
this one.
Yeah, 22, yeah.
Okay. Just a minute. Run the program. Still not working. Observe Pradipal, working now. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Earlier, what was the problem earlier?
So
URL having
URL, sir.
some extra text. That's why. Now admin login successful passed. Suppose negative testing, invalid input. It has to show admin login unsuccessful, showing correct error message. Run the program. Observe admin login unsuccessful, showing correct error message. Next, check the third this part also, Santosh. Else part, we checked if condition and else if. Check this else part.
So we have to correct, change the error message.
Change the error message. Suppose A, B, C, D. Run the program. Observe. Admin login unsuccessful, not showing correct error message, failed. It is executing all conditions and else part now.
Yes, sir.
Okay. See, this is for one iteration. Next, multiple iterations. Just a minute. Use valid input. Admin. Run the program once again. Three seconds. That wait time. Admin login successful passed. Okay. See, one phase over. Next, data driven testing. Read test data from external file. Can you guide me, Krishna Chaitanya? Reading data from external file. File available on desktop. Here, first record valid, second record invalid, third record again valid. And first line is column field headers. Second record onwards data. We need to skip the first line.
Yes, sir.
Guide me.
File.
File. Here, file not required. File reader, buffered reader instance. Before that, you create WebDriver as global. You declare WebDriver as global.
Yeah. Before main method, we need to declare public. Static. WebDriver. Driver. Next, you can use just driver. Just driver. Enough. Okay. Next, first open the file in read mode using file reader instance. Next, read the data using buffered reader instance. First, file after main method. First statement, file reader. Suppose file, any meaningful name you can use, equal to new file reader of path of the file. Just a minute. Take this path of the file. See, it supports forward slashes or 2 backward slashes. Next, semicolon. Create the buffered. First, import this file reader from java.io. Import this library. Safe side is asking auto declaration exception. Next, create buffered reader by passing file reader reference.
Buffered reader.
Buffered reader.
Yeah.
Suppose BR equals to
File.
new buffered reader of
File.
See, passing reference. This is the relation between these two instances. Next, import buffered reader. Spell mistake. Okay. Next, observe Pradvipal. File reader for opening the file in read mode. Buffered reader for reading the data. Next.
Yes, sir.
We have to read from second line now. First, we need to skip the first line. So I am taking one variable int count equal to 0. Next, this is only optional. Int iteration equal to 0. Next, string line for reading data line by line. Next, here while loop is flexible, comfortable. Why? If you want to use for loop, you must know the record count. For while loop, no record count required. You can use end of the file. While of line. Read the line equal to buffered reader object dot read line up to not equal to null means up to end of the line. Not equal to null means end of the line. Any problem? Line equal to
You need to close after read line.
After read line. Yes. Close this one. Good. Still, br dot read line not equal to null. Oh, it is asking. Safe side declaration. This one auto exception. Next, increment the count. Count equal to
Plus.
Count plus 1. Next, write condition if
Not.
why not? We have to read from second line. If count greater than 1, if count greater than 1, enough. Next.
Your dot.
Just a minute. Here increment the iteration also. See, from second line, iteration starts. Iteration equal to iteration plus 1. Next, read the lines. Observe here every line having, where is the test data file? Every line having two fields. Two fields now.
Yes, sir.
Create a string array. Declare string array. It has to store more than one value at a time. Create string, declare string array, string
name,
square brackets. This is the array symbol. Suppose
Yes, sir.
string name input data equal to, observe, we are reading line by line into this line string variable. Here line
Yes.
having two fields and delimiter. What is the delimiter?
New
Comma
line.
space. You can use any delimiter and specify the delimiter. Comma space. Based on this delimiter, split the line into two pieces. Here two fields. If it is four fields, four pieces. Line is string. Line dot split method is there.
Mm-hmm.
Next, comma
Comma
space,
space.
comma. How many pieces?
3.
Two. 2 fields. Next, you pass the values. Now, just a minute. Santosh, pass the values. Admin and admin at 1, 2, 3. Pass the values, Santosh. Input data.
Input
Array
data.
is there in that two fields available.
Input data.
Input data
Data 1.
of 0. Index starts from 0. 0 means first field. Okay, na?
Yeah.
Input data of 0. Why it is showing error? Input data.
Local.
Pardon?
Local. You declare it in the local if block.
Okay. Actually, within this if condition only, the script, total script. Within this if only. Where we need to close this one? This while. Where we need to close this while?
And then
After driver dot close.
After.
Driver
Before.
dot close. Okay. Next, if condition. If condition. Not this if. This if condition. Where we need to close this if condition? Krishna Chaitanya.
in after else.
After else. After else.
Yeah, there. Yeah, there.
You try after
Before
driver
driver
dot
dot
close only. Okay, na? Try. Run the program. Just a minute. You use this iteration also. Iteration. Iteration. Concatenate. Just a minute. Iteration. Concatenate. Next, this one. Okay. Input data of 0. Next field, Santosh. Input data of 1. Second one. Run the program. See, first iteration, next, second iteration running without user interaction, third iteration, third one again valid input. See, first iteration, login successful passed. Second iteration, unsuccessful and showing correct error message. We used invalid input. Third iteration again valid. You remove this one unnecessarily. Which one? This URL display. Run the program once again. See, first valid input. Next, second iteration, invalid input. Next, third iteration, again valid input. Observe Praveen Rao. First iteration, valid input, admin login successful passed. Second iteration, admin login unsuccessful and showing correct error message, means handling invalid inputs. Third iteration, again valid input passed. Executing now.
Yes, sir.
Any queries, Krishna Chaitanya? Observe.
Yeah, it's executing, sir.
Pardon?
I don't
Executing.
have any question.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Praveen Rao, observe the program. See, observe the first 16th line. What is the purpose of this 16th line?
Yeah, it's opening the text file.
Open text file in read mode. File reader. Suppose if it is write mode, file writer is there. That is another instance. Another object. File read. File reader. Open text file in read mode. Next, 17th line.
Yeah, and reading the file, like, one by one records in the file.
Read the file. Creating buffered reader instance by passing file reader instance by passing file reader reference. Next, we used a while condition and read the data. Here we need to read from second line. That's why we used a counter. Counter greater than 1 means it reads from second line. See, in our text file, first line is field headers. Okay. Next, every line having this iteration variable is only optional for user friendliness. Next, every line having two fields, we have to split the fields using delimiter. In that file, we used a comma space as delimiter, and we have to split into two pieces. Every line into two pieces. See, we have to store more than one value at a time. That's why we used a string array. Next, array index starts from 0. Array of 0, first value. Array of 1, second value. See, username, input data of 0. Next, password, input data of 1. Next, remaining script, common. Okay, now?
Yes, sir.
See, just a minute. Next, Excel file, using Excel file that we will discuss in TestNG chapter. See, you can use either text file or Excel file. Excel file example I will show in TestNG chapter. Next, come to one assignment. Observe. Observe, Prithvipal.
Yes, sir.
Assignment. See, in this application, one business rule is there. One business rule. What is that business rule? Just a minute. Observe, Santosh. Here one business rule is there. After 3 failed login attempts, it will block the login functionality for 5 minutes. Observe. Invalid. Next, again click. Second time also error. Next, third time. Observe what it is showing.
Different error message.
The maximum number of login attempts has been reached. Please try again after 5 minutes. Suppose if you enter valid input also, it won't accept. Suppose admin at 123. Actually, it is valid input, but it won't accept. Same, try after 5 minutes. Okay, you write test case for this one. Verify the maximum login attempts here we have to use invalid data, invalid input for admin login functionality. Okay, next come to second topic, batch testing. What is batch testing? Executing series of test cases or series of tests. See, in manual testing, for each and every test case execution, user interaction is mandatory. But in test automation, you can create test batches without human user interaction. Tool can execute series of tests. See, what is batch testing? Executing series of tests. See, I am taking 3 tests. Observe, Praveen Rao, 3 tests. Our application AUT. AUT stands for application under test. Here I am choosing 3 test cases. Just a minute. GCR shop admin interface. URL is just a minute. This one. Next, test cases. First test case, verify admin login, verify only positive scenario enough, verify admin login functionality. This is first test case. Next, second test case, verify, just a minute. Observe, first test case, only positive scenario, verify admin login. Admin at 123. Oh, 5 minutes block na. You take another browser. gcrit.com/build3admin. Enter username admin at 123. Login. Another browser also not working. Observe, Pradvipal.
Yes, sir.
Uh, it is tracking this IP address. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Second test case. Verify manufacturer's element existence. Verify manufacturer's link existence. Existence in the index page. Suppose if manufacturer's link not available, you can't create new manufacturer index page of the application. Here after login to application. After login to application. This is second test case. Next, third test case, verify a redirect functionality between admin and user interfaces. Admin and user interfaces. After login. After login to admin interface. See, these are the 3 test cases. See, first test case. Verify admin login functionality. You know the steps. Just I'm copying the steps. Just a minute. Here input data. Username. Admin. Next. Password. Admin at 123. Next, verification point. This one. We are taking only positive scenario. Next, second test case. Second test case. First, observe, Praveen Rao, for second test case also login required na?
Yes, sir.
Login. These are the common steps. Common steps. And one more step extra. What is that extra step? This one. Click this online catalog link after login. Before login also available. Now it is redirecting to user interface na?
Yeah,
Observe,
yes, sir.
Observe Aarti. This is admin interface. Here online catalog link available, but we have to click after login. Okay, before login also this redirect functionality available. Just click this link, redirecting to user interface.
Yes,
Click,
sir.
click. What is that link? Link name, online catalog. Click online catalog link. But no vice versa. It's online catalog link. Link. This is extra step. Next, verification point. Verification point. After redirecting, capture the URL after redirecting. And compare with expected. Expected is this. Just a minute. Just a minute. Expected is this one. Just build 3. Okay. Here input data same. User ID password required. Next, third test case. Third test case. Oh, actually this is third test case, this one. Redirect, just misplaced. This is third test case. Second test case. Tell me Santosh, second test case.
Verify manufacturer.
First login required na?
Yeah.
Login required. Next, one more extra statement not required. Just verification point. Verification point. What is the verification point here?
Manufacturer's link.
Check the existence. Verification point. See. Check the existence of manufacturer's link. Manufacturer's link. If exists, then pass. Otherwise fail. Fail. Okay, here we are checking the element existence na, error handling required na, exception handling.
Yeah.
Exception handling. What is the exception?
No such element.
No such element. Insert no such element. No such element. Exception. See, this double quotes only for understanding purpose. See, this is second one. Observe first one. Login. Second one, verify manufacturer's link after login. Third one, verify redirect functionality between admin and user interfaces after login. Observe once again, Praveen Rao. First, verify login functionality. See launch browser, navigate to URL, username, password button. Next, input data. Next, verification point. Next, verify manufacturer's link. See steps, input data. Next, third one, verify redirect functionality. Okay, na? Here identify the uh, code reusability, reusable components. Identify the code
Yeah, login functionality.
login. See here modularity is login. See for batch testing or general testing also try to identify the reusable components. Try to identify the reusable components. Create reusable components. Say I'm going to create 3 reusable components. 2 optional, 1 is mandatory. Launch browser. Next, log into admin interface. Observe Arti, this login only reusable component. In this, we don't insert verification point. In main test case, we insert verification point. Okay, na?
Yeah, got it, sir. Thank you.
Next, welcome. Close browser. Close browser. Say for every test case, launching application, log into admin. Next, perform some operations, means verifications, etc. And at the end, close browser. So I'm going to create these 3 reusable components. Then using reusable components, create test cases. See code optimization. See create Selenium test batch. Test batch. Guide me, Santosh. Launch Eclipse ID. I'm going to create new class, batch testing, generate the main method. Next, first, create reusable components, user defined methods before main method.
Uh,
First, launch browser.
browser.
Launch browser. Before this, you declare WebDriver as global,
Public static.
public, static, WebDriver driver. Import WebDriver library. Okay. Next, launch browser.
Driver.
Just a minute. User defined method. Suppose
Public.
public void
Void.
returns nothing. Only launching browser returns nothing. Launch browser. Launch browser. No arguments. Next, driver. Driver equals to new Firefox driver. Firefox driver. it launches Firefox browser with a blank URL. Enough. Next, close browser. Close browser.
Public.
Just a minute. Public void close browser. See, this close browser optional. Open curly braces. Driver dot close. Okay. Next, create login, admin login. See, public void public void admin login of parameters. Use arguments for parameterization. Username. What type of data? Data type.
String.
String username, comma, string password. String password. Open curly braces. Next, driver dot get. Take that URL, admin interface URL. Admin. Okay. Next, enter username. Driver dot find element by dot name. We already inspected. Name value. Username small letters. Dot send keys. Pass the parameter. Username. Next, driver dot find element by dot name of name value password. Next, dot send keys of password. Don't use double quotes for parameters. Next, driver dot find element by dot id value tdb1 operation click. Over. Observe Krishna Chaitanya. Only log into application. In this method, no verification. If you want verification, you add those statements in test case. Getting?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next, after main method. After main method. Create test cases. Before creating test cases, these are non-static methods. Now we used non-static methods. How to access non-static methods? Using object. Say create object using instance of the class. Create object. You know how to create object? Santosh, tell me how to create object.
Launch browser.
Here, what is the not launch browser?
Class name, sir.
Class name. Class name. Next, object name. You can use any meaningful name. Class name, object name. Suppose obj equals to new class name, open and close parenthesis, semicolon. Okay. This is creating object. Next, first test case. Just a minute. Uh, test case. Test case 1. Verify admin. Verify admin login functionality. This is first test case. For admin login, first launch browser required na?
Yeah.
Call that reusable component.
Obj dot
Obj dot
launch.
type L launch browser. Next, after launching the browser, call that admin login. Obj dot admin login. Here provide values for parameters. See admin at 123. Admin at 123. Next, verification required na?
Yeah.
You add those steps. After login, first capture the URL, string URL equals to driver dot get current URL. Next, write the condition if URL dot contains take that value. Just a minute. Expected value. Open curly braces. Next, enter meaningful message. Say admin login successful passed. Next, else admin login unsuccessful. Admin login unsuccessful failed. Next, call the close browser obj dot close browser. Over. First test case over. Say up to now we created and executed single test case in a program. One test case. Single test case in a Java class. In this example, we are going to create and execute multiple test cases in a program or in a Java class. Okay, na?
Yeah.
Next, close this second test case. Test case 2. Test case 2. What is the test case 2? Verify manufacturer's link. Test case 2. Verify manufacturer's link existence in the index page. Okay. Just a minute. What are the components required for this one?
Launch browser.
First, okay, Santosh. You continue, Praveen Rao. Test case 2, you know the steps and verification point. Here error handling also required. Tell me. For second test case also launch browser required now.
Yes, sir.
We closed browser in first test case. See here every test case independent. Proper launching of the application, next performing operations and closing of the application. See close browser means application also close. See launching, performing operations and closing. Here observe in the first test case launching, next performing admin login functionality, then closing. Second test case.
We need to
First
create object again.
again
We need to create object
why creating object?
to access the login functionality.
See in this class we already created the object now.
Yes, sir.
You can use that object. You can use that object for entire class.
Object
obj
dot launch browser.
dot
Launch browser.
see creating object in a class is one time activity. You can use that object for entire class. Not admin login. Just a minute.
Launch.
Dot type L launch browser. Next obj dot admin login. Provide values admin. Next admin at 1 2 3. After login, check the existence of manufacturer's link. Just a minute. Admin at 1 2 3. Here manufacturer's link available now.
Yes, sir.
You can use link text. You no need to inspect the element. This is link. Add that steps.
Driver
dot
find element
by dot
link
text of this manufacturers. It returns boolean type data. You take boolean variable. Otherwise you can directly compare boolean link existence equal to
is displayed.
Dot is displayed semicolon. Next write condition if
link existence equal to true.
Link existence comparison equal to true, open curly braces. Next write any meaningful message. Suppose manufacturers link exists passed. Next else manufacturers link not exists. Not exists. Link not exists. Failed. failed. Okay. Next, close browser. obj dot close browser. Exception also required, that we will add. Second test case. Just a minute. You execute first test case only. Comment this one also. Source add block comment. Now it will execute first test case only. Run the program. Just a minute. Admin login successful passed. Just a minute. Login. Admin login. Test case 1. This is only for user friendliness. Test case 1. Run the program once again. Okay. Admin login successful passed na. Check the else part, means negative testing. You change the input, invalid input, use invalid input. Now what is the expected? It has to show admin login unsuccessful na.
Yes, sir.
Unsuccessful. Run the program. Observe, it is handling invalid input na. Now we executed first part and else part. Okay. Same way, check the second test case. See, before batch testing, check the test cases one by one. First you comment this one, source add block comment. Remove the comment for second test case. Remove block comment. Now just a minute. Test case 2. Run the program. Okay. Manufacturer's link exists passed na.
Yes, sir.
Next, execute the else part. Just you change the expectation. Run the program. It has to show manufacturer's link not exists. Just a minute. Executing. Showing error. No such element exception na. Here
Yes,
provide exception. No such element exception. Say for this scenario exception handling required. If you check any element existence, exception required. Where?
Try before boolean.
Before
Boolean link exists.
before boolean. Okay. Try,
Catch.
open curly braces. After if condition, close try block. Next, instead of else, write catch block. Catch no such element exception. Suppose exception name E. Exception, E capital letter. Next, import exception. Observe two no such element exceptions. Which one is suitable? Which one is first one or second one?
First one.
First one. Don't import second one, Java util, that is different. First one. Now run the program. Observe handling na. It is showing, it is covering else part also na.
Yes, sir.
Okay. First test case okay. Second test case. Next third test case. Guide me Pradvipal. Third test case.
Yes, sir.
Just a minute. Test case 3. Test case 3. Comment symbol. What is the test case 3? Verify redirect functionality between admin and user interfaces after login. After login. Okay.
First we have to.
First launch
method
browser
launch
obj dot launch browser. Next
third
login obj dot
login.
admin login. Suppose admin. Next admin at 123.
2, 3.
Next
Click.
we have after admin login we have to click this one. Which one?
Yes.
Online
Login
catalog link. Online catalog. Is it link? Check that
Yes,
one.
sir. I think.
Firebug. Okay. It is link only. It is showing HTML reference. Link only. Click that link. Driver dot. See, in our test cases, we are using reusable components and adding some steps. Driver dot find element by dot link text of
link text is
online
catalog dot click.
Space is there in between.
Yes, sir. Space.
Online catalog and O capital C capital. Dot operation click operation. After click, capture the URL. Driver URL string na. Suppose string URL 2 equal to driver dot get current URL. Next, write the condition if URL2. Why I am using URL2? URL already used in the same program. That's why URL2. Otherwise, without declaration, you can use just URL. URL2 dot equals take that expected URL, this one, just build 3. Next, write meaningful message. Write meaningful message. Or redirected to
related to admin
redirected from admin to user interface. See, test case 3. Redirected from admin to user interface. Passed. Next, else part. Else part. Else not redirected. For example, if URL not equals that one, not redirected. Not redirected. See, not redirected from admin to user interface failed. You execute third test case only. Third test case only. You comment second test case, source, add block comment. First test case comment, second one also comment. Next, run the program. Redirected from admin to user interface passed. Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
Here close obj dot close browser. This is third test case. And execute else part, cover else part. Suppose change that URL, run the program. See, intentionally I changed the expectation. Observe, Prithvipal, not redirected from admin to user na.
Yes, sir.
It's covering. Okay, now remove this incorrect expectation. Here you can use before capturing the URL, safe side, use wait time. It's not mandatory. See, in the previous iteration, it executed properly. Just a safe side. Okay, now execute entire test batch. Just a minute. Remove block comment. Now execute entire test batch. Run the program. First test case, next second test case running, next third test case executing, execute, run, synonyms. Observe Praveen Rao, test batch testing, test case 1, admin login successful passed, test case 2, manufacturer's link exists passed, test case 3, redirected from admin to user interface passed. Okay na? Batch testing. Any confusion?
No, sir.
See, this is about executing series of tests or group of tests. Say, today we discussed the data-driven testing and batch testing. And one general example, it is not related to our test automation, but general example, concentrate, general test case. One small test case, general test case. Aarti, guide me. Small test case, general test case. Test case is, this is generic. Verify communication between different browsers. Verify communication. Observe Suleiman. Verify communication between
Okay.
two different browsers. Two different browsers. See, observe steps. Steps. First, create Mozilla Firefox. Create Mozilla Firefox browser. Create Mozilla Firefox browser and Google Chrome browser. Google Chrome browser. Next, launch two browsers. Launch the two browsers. Launch two different applications. See, if you create driver, it will launch the browser automatically with blank URL. Launch two different applications. Next, interact from one application to another. Interact from one application to another. Interact from one application to another. Next, close browsers. Close browsers. Did you understand the requirement, Aarti?
Yeah, yes, sir.
Observe. Suppose, just a minute. Launch Mozilla Firefox browser.
And
Launch Mozilla
Google.
Firefox browser. Next, click this launch Gmail homepage. Navigate to Gmail homepage. Just a minute. Here, capture this text area. One account, all of Google. Capture this text area. Okay, na? Next, launch another browser. What is that browser? Chrome browser. Navigate to gcrit.com/build3 build3. Here click this create account link. Enter that value into this first name. Okay na?
Yeah, okay, okay.
Guide me. Create a new class. Suppose you can use any meaningful name. Generate main method. First create Mozilla Firefox browser. WebDriver.
Driver equal
to
new Firefox
driver. Just a minute.
Right.
D capital letter.
Sir, can we call sir, can we declare the non-static method and we can call method for
Pardon?
launching browser or no?
Pardon?
Can we create like non-static method and recall the method because we're launching browser two browsers same time.
Not two different browsers now. You have to create two non-static methods. Instead of that, you can write 2 lines code now.
Okay, sir.
Here no reusability.
Okay.
If reusability is there, you can create. Next, create Firefox, Chrome driver, WebDriver. Suppose, just a minute. Firefox driver. Next, WebDriver, Chrome driver equals to new
Chrome.
Instantiation required. I will add that step before this one. Chrome driver, open and close parenthesis, semicolon. Import Chrome driver. Okay. Next, instantiate Chrome driver. System. Just a minute. System dot
out.
Set property, not out.
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
we have to set that. Okay.
Suppose I downloaded Chrome driver and placed in E drive. That executable file name Chrome driver .exe. WebDriver dot Chrome dot driver. You need to remember the syntax. Close double quotes. Next, value path of the driver.
Yeah, path of the driver. C or E, whatever the drive. Yeah.
In my machine, E drive.
E drive. Chrome driver.exe.
Chrome driver dot exe.
And that
semicolon.
Semicolon.
This is instantiation. Okay. Next, our requirement is launch Gmail homepage using Firefox.
So get driver, driver.get.
Driver. What is driver? Firefox driver.
Yeah, Firefox driver. Sorry, yeah.
Firefox driver dot get
Get
dot
in
get
parentheses
URL.
H
Just a minute.
URL, yeah. Get.
Launch Gmail directly. Gmail.com. Okay. Next, capture the text area. Text area. This one.
Is the string P? Okay. Is it?
First, inspect the element. One account, all of Google. No ID, no name. You try with
H1?
tag name H1. Otherwise, go for XPath. You try with tag name, tag H1. In this page, only one header tag. So use H1. Firefox driver. Firefox driver dot find element by dot tag name H1
yeah.
dot get text. It returns string type data na. You have to use string variable.
Yeah, get, yeah.
Suppose string some text equal to this one.
Maybe name. Yeah,
Okay.
tag name. Okay,
Next, Google Chrome browser. You take this URL. You launch this URL directly. GCR shop customer registration page. GCR shop customer registration page. Chrome.
Chrome driver.
Chrome driver dot get. You launch this page directly. Next, enter the value into this first name edit box.
Okay.
First name edit box. Inspect the element.
String. Okay.
Inspect the element. Inspect. Name available na?
Yeah, yes, sir.
Name,
yeah,
first name.
First name.
Okay.
Lower cases.
Okay, lowercase. Next, Chrome
driver dot
driver dot
find
element
elements by
name value
first name in the quote.
First name dot
get
send keys.
Oh yeah, sure. Yeah, send keys. Sorry. Yeah.
Firefox driver captured data text.
Get text. Okay, text. Okay.
Text.
Yeah. Okay.
Variable. Just run this code. Just a minute. Close. Run the program. Observe Praveen Rao.
Yeah. Disable developer mode extends.
Krishna Chaitanya.
One.
Captured
yes, one.
This header from Firefox browser and placed in Chrome browser this page na?
Yes, sir.
Okay, just Chrome browser launching. Here no display. We didn't use any display statement. Next, close browsers. Simple. Firefox driver dot close. Next,
Then Chrome
Chrome
driver
driver
dot close.
dot close. Okay, this is the script. We already executed this one. This is about communicating two different browsers. Communication between two different browsers. Okay, I'm going to close the session. Any queries, Praveen Rao? Any queries?
No, sir.
Today we
No,
discussed
sir.
data-driven testing and batch testing and communicating communication between two different browsers. Okay. Aarti,
No, sir. Thank you.
okay,
Sorry, I
welcome.
joined a little late
Okay,
today.
okay,
Sorry.
welcome. Krishna Chaitanya, any queries?
No, sir. Thank
Okay.
you.
Pradvipal,
No, sir. Thank you.
welcome. Santosh,
No, sir. Thank you.
welcome. Suleiman,
No, thank you.
okay, welcome. See, we'll meet tomorrow, same time. Thank you.